you were to be an Invictus athlete, what sport would you do?
Wheelchair rugby, probably.
You are way too good looking for wheelchair rugby. You are way too...
Fortunate on that operation, I was injured, so I returned home to having newborn twins, suffering a bit of an injury. So it was a very, very tough time for our family.
And now, can you be in the garden? Can you kick a football around with them?
I can, thanks to sport.
Look at him. Look at him. He's a behemoth. He's a unit. I reckon he can look at him. And it'd be remiss of us not to congratulate you as well. A family on the way. How are you feeling?
Feeling fantastic, actually. Yeah, new responsibilities, a new third of your life, right? That's what everybody says. So, no, we've had the most amazing time in Australia for the last week or something. I don't know. I don't even know what day it is. Exactly.
You've been so busy. I can't watch it.
We've been all over the place.
But
look, we've had the most amazing time in Australia. The Aussies have been fantastic. We've had such a warm welcome.
Have you got godparents picked out? I'm ready if you need me.
Well,
imagine
if we're really desperate.
Imagine the car parks. I suppose you don't have to worry about car parks. They're pretty good.
We all have to worry about a car park.
I know, I get the best ones.
Famous budgie smugglers.
Team budgie smugglers.
So,
What do you wear when you swim?
Those.
Now.
If you wear them,
Bondi Beach, perhaps?
Look out.
Yeah?
you could have worn them when you went surfing the other day.
Oh, look at those.
But
It doesn't get better than that, does it?
Yeah.
You might have to slap some sunscreen on those.
Oh, you're right.
What you're doing, it really does mean a lot to a lot of people. I know you didn't have to do this, you didn't have to organise this incredible event, but you chose to, and from the Australian public, you know how much everybody loves you, but it means a lot to us. It really does. I get a bit emotional talking about it because it's been special to be involved in, and I cannot wait to see how the rest of the week goes. But thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it.
Thank you very much, guys. Very, very nice to meet you, and thank you for everything you're doing.
Dad, get yours out. Get yours out.
Oh no! He's on underneath.
Abby, get him out.
Get him out.
Get him out.
I'll go like this.
Get him out. You've got to get them out somehow, even if it's just...
I declare before you all that my whole life, whether it be long or short, shall be devoted to your service and to the service of our great imperial family to which we all belong.